Dutee Chand. Dutee Chand was born on 3rd February 1996 to Chakradhar Chand and Akhuji Chand in the Jajpur district of Odisha. She is from a below poverty line weaver's family. Her source of inspiration is her elder sister Saraswati Chand, who competed in running at the state level. Dutee Chand made it to the national headlines in 2012 when she clocked 11.2 seconds in the 100 meters event and became a national champion in the under 18 category. Clocking 23.811 seconds, she won the bronze in the women's 200 meters event at the 2013 Asian Athletics Championships at Pune. The year also saw her become the first Indian to reach the final of a Global Athletics 100 meters final when she reached the final in the 2013 World Youth Championships. In the same year, she became the national champion in 100 meters and 200 meters when she won the events, clocking 11.73 seconds in the final in 100 meters and a career best 23.73 seconds in 200 meters at the National Senior Athletics Championships at Ranchi. In June 2014, she won 2 gold medals at Asian Junior Athletics Championships in 200 meters and 4x400 meter relays. In the 200 meter event, she bettered her previous timing to 23.74 seconds and hoping to get qualified for the Commonwealth Games, but she was dropped from the 2014 Commonwealth Games contingent at the last minute after the Athletic Federation of India stated that hyperandrogenism made her ineligible to compete as a female athlete. Following Commonwealth Games, she was also dropped from the Indian contingent for the 2014 Asian Games. There has been no suggestion that Chand has been involved in cheating or doping. The decision was made in compliance with the International Olympic Committee regulations on female hyperandrogenism designed to address a perceived advantage for female athletes with high androgen levels. The decision was condemned by the Australian intersex advocates. The Athletic Federation of India and the IAAF's actions were widely criticized as an affront to Chand's privacy and human rights. Chand appealed to the Court of Arbitration for Sports (CAS). The Canadian law firms Davies, Ward, Phillips and Weinberg LLP represented her on a pro bono basis. The IAAF policy on hyperandrogenism, or high natural levels of testosterone in women, was suspended following the case of Dutee Chand versus Athletics Federation of India and the International Association of Athletics Federations in the Court of Arbitration for Sport, decided in July 2015. The ruling found that there was a lack of evidence provided that testosterone increased female athletic performance. On her return, she participated at the 2016 Asian Indoor Athletics Championships in 60 meters, wherein the qualification round she set the Indian national record, clocking in at 7.28 seconds, and went on to win the bronze medal in the final, clocking a time of 7.37 seconds. Dutee clocked 11.33 seconds in women's 100 meter dash to win the gold and erase Rachita Mistri's 16-year-old earlier national record of 11.38 seconds in the 2016 Federation Cup National Athletics Championships in New Delhi. However, she missed the Rio Olympics qualification norm of 11.32 seconds by 1/100th of a second. But finally, on 25th June 2016, Dutee broke the record, the very same record, national record, twice in one day after clocking 11.24 at the 25th International Meeting G. Kosanov Memorial at Almaty, Kazakhstan, thereby qualifying for the Olympic Games. At 2016 Rio Olympics, she became the third Indian woman to participate for the women's 100 meters, though she did not move beyond the heats, where she clocked 11.69 seconds. In 2017, at the Asian Athletics Championships, she clinched 2 bronze medals, one in the women's 100 meters, another in the women's 4x100 meter relay with Srabani Nanda, Marlene K. Joseph and Himashri Roy at Bhubaneswar. At the 2018 Asian Games, in the women's 100 meters finals, Chand won the silver medal, her first Asian Games medal, clocking 11.32 seconds on 26th August. Again on 29th August, she bagged her second silver at the Asian Games in the women's 100-200 meters final. Her silver in 100 meter was India's silver medal in this category. After 32 years since PT Usha won in 1986 and Chand's first medal in the Asian Games, as she was banned in 2014, and her 200 meter silver is after 16 years for India since Saraswati Saha's gold in 2002 at Busan. At the 2019 Summer Universiade in Napoli, Chand won gold in the 100 meter race, becoming the first Indian woman sprinter to win gold at Universiade. She finished the sprint in 11.32 seconds. She was also the flag bearer during the opening ceremony of the event. In 2019, she became India's first ever openly lesbian athlete, as she publicly stated that she is in a same-sex relationship, saying that the Indian Supreme Court's decision to decriminalize gay sex in 2018 encouraged her to speak publicly about her sexuality, mentioning that she was in a same-sex relationship. She is presently employed as an executive officer in the state PSU, the Odisha Mining Corporation Limited.